Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. I'm going to read a story called Jellybeans, written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Lynn Mussinger. All right, Anna loved to read. She read while jumping rope. She even read in the bathtub. Anna also loved going to the library. That's a special place you go where there are lots of books. But her friends didn't. Emily loved to dance. Nicole loved to play soccer. Bitsy loved to paint. Each friend was different, just like jelly beans are different flavors. So the girls called themselves the Jellybeans. One day, Anna asked her friends to go to the library with her. First, they met the librarian. "There's the perfect book for everyone," she said. "Let's go find them." Anna was excited. Her friends were not. Emily found a book on ballet. Nicole found a book on sports, and Bitsy found a book on art. The library was full of great books, but which one was perfect for Anna? The librarian had an idea. She showed Anna a book of fairy tales. "Reading is magical, just like fairy tales," Anna said. "That's why I love to read." And now all the jelly beans love to read, especially while eating their favorite treat. So that's good. She was a good friend and showed her friends how great reading can be. Because we have fun, we can go on small adventures whenever we read a story, right? Or big adventures. All right, guys, see you later.